Good morning, children. Today is Wednesday, 5th August 2020, and today we are here again with another English lesson. And before starting today's English lesson, let's review what we did in our previous video lesson that was conducted on 28th July, Tuesday. Alright, on 28th of July, we attempted some written work in our notebook. It was reference to context, unit number 5, Robinson Crusoe. Alright, and today we are going to attempt the composition. I would like you to open up your textbook. Alright, here we go. Today we will attempt composition, textbook page number 35. You see, this is the composition, and today we are going to learn about writing a conjecture. What is a conjecture? Conjecture is basically an idea, or you can say some guesswork, in which you guess and assume what is going to happen next. Alright, so let's get going with that. This one, for this one I would like you to take out your notebook first. Alright, so let me show you that. How would you prepare your notebook? First of all, you will begin as always. Draw a straight margin line using a scale, then write down date, Wednesday, followed by the date, 5th August 2020, classwork, unit number 5, Robinson Crusoe, topic composition, and then statement. Write a conjecture, use whose footprint was in the sand. Alright, we read the story, we read the whole story of Robinson Crusoe, which was basically a chunk from the original novel. It is the best ever इंग्लिश क्लासिक नॉवल, और हमने उसका एक पार्ट जो था वो रीड किया था, दैट हाउ रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो शिपरेक्ट एंड द स्टोरी फिनिश्ड दैट रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो सॉ अ फुटप्रिंट ऑन द सैंड. यस, यू सी हियर, दैट्स हाउ द स्टोरी एंडेड. यहाँ पे हमारी जो स्टोरी थी रिटन बाय डैनियल डेफो, राइट, तो ये स्टोरी यहाँ पे एंड हुई कि किस तरह से उसने पूरे आइलैंड पे 2 years जो थे वो स्पेंड किए, राइट, 1 or 2 year, एंड ही वाज ऑल अलोन. और स्टोरी जब एंड होती है दैट ही सॉ अ फुट प्रिंट, और वो ये सोचता है कि वहाँ पे तो वो अलोन था, तो ये किसका फुटप्रिंट था. तो हम आज जो कंजेक्चर राइट करेंगे कि वो किसका फुटप्रिंट था. आपने अपने आइडियाज़ राइट करने हैं. क्या वो किसी ह्यूमन का था, और वॉज इट सम कैनिबल, कोई मैन ईटर था, क्या था. आपने अपने आइडियाज़ को कंपोज करना है, राइट. So, before starting some written work, let me introduce some challenging words to you. Exceedingly, please repeat after me. Exceedingly, frightening, although, cannibal, horrified, innumerable, companionship, fluttered. Exceedingly. Exceedingly means extremely, very. Frightening means something scary. Although means despite, जिसको हम कहते हैं अगरचे, चुनाचे, despite in the fact, right. Cannibal you can say is a human, or you can also say that he is some kind of man eater, जो human ही होता है, but basically वो क्या होता है, एक man eater होता है. Horrified means something which frightens you, right, जिससे आपको थोड़ा सा, जिसे कहते हैं कि डर लगता है, something terrible. Innumerable means countless, unlimited, so many in number. Companionship means fellowship or friendship. Fluttered is the past form, and it means that to move or run about, or you can say that it also means something confusing or agitating, right. जब बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ आपके माइंड में फ्लटर करते हैं कि हम ये करें या वो करें, और बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग आपको साउंड करते हैं, सो दैट्स दिस इज़ फ्लटर्ड मीन. राइट, तो ये वोकैबुलरी वर्ड थे. आप इनको डिक्शनरी में भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, राइट, और डिक्शनरी में आप इन वर्ड्स को अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सर्च करेंगे. एज इन माई प्रीवियस लेसन्स आई showed you how to practice डिक्शनरी स्किल. आप डिक्शनरी लेंगे, जो भी डिक्शनरी आपके पास घर पे है, या आप ये देख रहे हैं ये बॉक्सेस हैं, यहाँ पे अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सब लेटर्स अरेंज है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू वांट टू लुक अप फॉर द मीनिंग, exceedingly, which means extremely, So we will go directly into, ना हम Z में J में कहीं पे भी नहीं जाएंगे, we will directly go to E, alphabet E, and then exceedingly EXC. So let's get going. EXCE. Alright, here we go. EXCEE. Alright, EXCEE. And here we go. EXCEEDINGLY. Exceedingly, it means extremely. I hope you can see it is visible to you. Exceedingly is adverb. हमें ये भी पता चल रहा है डिक्शनरी में कि ये कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है. Exceedingly is the verb. Exceed is the verb and exceedingly is adverb, which means extremely. Alright, so you must have to practice dictionary skill at home. You have to use dictionary to help you to find the meanings of challenging words. Alright, now let's begin our written work. Alright, so after writing the statement, write a conjecture whose footprint was in the sand. हमें ये conjecture write करना है कि वो footprint किसका था. Alright, after completing your written work, you can illustrate your writing. आप अपनी writing को illustrate कर सकते हैं. Illustrate means कि उस writing से related जो भी आप drawing है या जो भी आप imagine करते हैं. You see, ये हमारी book पे भी है, right? हमारा जो book है, जो हमने story पढ़ी है, you see on page number 31. You see, ये हमने इसी को यहाँ पे illustrate किया, right? जो हमने writing आज attempt किया. Alright, so when Robinson saw footprint, he was exceedingly surprised. He discovered that the footprint was much larger than his own foot. Innumerable thoughts fluttered in his mind. Footprint had toes, heel, and all parts of a human feet. Alright children, let me remind you that you will write this composition in paragraphs, right? And what is a paragraph? Paragraph is a group of different sentences, but उसका मेन आइडिया सेम होता है, बट पैराग्राफ इज़ कम्पोज्ड ऑफ डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस. जब हम डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस को फॉर्मेशन करते हैं इकट्ठा तो वो हमारा पैराग्राफ बन जाता है. यू सी, एंड वी स्टार्ट अ पैराग्राफ जस्ट लाइक दिस. आप ये देख रहे हैं, देयर इज़ अ 2 फिंगर, एटलीस्ट 2 फिंगर डिस्टेंस है हमारे पास. हेयर वी फिनिश आवर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, देन वी स्टार्ट आवर सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. यू सी, और इसकी फॉर्मेशन कैसी है, जहाँ से आपने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट किए आप वहीं से अपना सेकेंड पैराग्राफ बिगिन करेंगे. ऑलराइट. ही assumed. Assumed means he supposed, he thought, he supposed, he assumed that the footprint belonged to some cannibal. Cannibal is a man-eater who came to Ireland to trick him. Although he was alone and missed companionship, he became more cautious and alert. Cautious means वेरी अलर्ट. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ से एहतियात करते हैं, राइट, जैसे आजकल हम काफ़ी सारी प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं एंड वी आर वेरी कॉशियस. आपको पता है कि आजकल पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है. सो कॉशियस मीन्स एहतियात करना, बहुत ज़्यादा मुहतात हो जाना, राइट. He had a frightening experience that truly horrified him. Alright, so in this conjecture we assumed that the footprint belonged to some cannibal who came to the island to trick Robinson Crusoe and maybe he would eat him, right? So this is our conjecture and let's highlight the vocabulary. हम यहाँ पे अपनी vocabulary को highlight कर लेते हैं because when you highlight your vocabulary आपको help मिल जाती है to remember the spellings correctly. Spellings को आप correctly learn कर सकते हैं and आपको उस vocabulary word से याद रहेगा कि how to form the sentences. Exceedingly, right? Innumerable means countless. Fluttered, then footprint. Assumed, right? Although, companionship, cautious, right? And there is another one, cannibal. Frightening, you see, frightening. Horrified. So we have highlighted challenging vocabulary and you have to learn the spellings correctly of these challenging words and you have to use the dictionary to practice and to find out the meanings of these challenging words as well. Alright children, after completing this, you have to fill up the index at the front of your notebook. Write down the date first, 5th August 2020, unit number 5, composition. Alright, so these notes are uploaded in the folder of notes. After watching the video lesson of English class 5, you supposed to go into the folder of notes. वहाँ पे हमने ये अपलोड किए हैं, इसे प्लीज़ आप डाउनलोड कीजिएगा अपनी नोटबुक पे और कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. Alright, और आप इसको इलस्ट्रेट भी कीजिएगा अपनी ड्राइंग को, because this is the footprint and you see the expression of Robinson Crusoe. Alright, so that's how you would complete your written work in your notebook. Alright children, now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is a test. You have to prepare the test phrasal verb workbook, page number 23, C1. What is it? Let me show you. Page number 23. This is page number 23. Alright, and this is C1, right? C1. You have to learn the meanings of these phrasal verbs, right? These are the phrasal verbs and these are the meanings given to the opposite side of the phrasal verbs. And हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था? We matched the phrasal verbs to the relevant meaning. हमने appropriate meaning match किया था by using different colors, right? So you will be given assorted phrasal verbs and you would have to match those phrasal verbs with their correct meanings. Alright, so that's how you will prepare your test from workbook page number 23, C1. Alright, thank you very much for joining us. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.